How to fix low call volume in iOS 18. Let's start the video. First of all, you can increase and decrease volume during call from here. These buttons increase and decrease call volume. And if it doesn't work, then open settings and open sound and haptics. And here you can increase and decrease your call volume. After increasing and decreasing call volume, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and checking your software updates. Your latest iOS version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.